Hey guys, it's Jags with Pack Out Campers. We're here today at the shop. We have a Turgeon Tacoma with a Pack Out Camper. The owner of this Tacoma, she shipped her truck from Oregon all the way to Las Vegas. She's gonna be here in a little to pick up the truck, so we're just gonna give you a quick walk around of her camper. So on this build, she chose to have two camper cubby on the passenger side. With this camper cubby, you can move it around either on the driver's side or the passenger side. She also picked a MOLLE panel on the gullwing door on this side right here, and also a light that you can do an amber and a white light that you can also hold the button right here so you can dim it or make it high. So let's go on the back of this build. As you can see, we installed RTL from Baja Design. So you have your brake light working. You also have your turn signal left and right. So it's a really neat system from Baja Design. And on the back right here, we also have a swing out door. Cool thing with this swing out door is you can stand on the tailgate compared to having a gullwing door. So it's really easy to hop in and out with the camper with this option. And you also have the turn arctic window. On this side, you have a full blackout. So if you want to change inside, nobody can see you. And you can also do a bug screen. At the same time, you could open this guy right here for airflow. So it's a very cool option for your camper. Cool thing with this system is you have a two-split panel. So you have your main bed. So you can leave all your bedding there. You don't have to move things around. Also, you could leave your blanket, all your pillow, and still be able to close the camper. And if you don't need it, just push it up and you have all this space. You also have a storage right here under the bed. So you can leave all your clothing in here, all the important stuff. Have a 3-inch in depth, and you have about 3 feet on this side right here. So you have the half part of the bed. Cool thing with this is you can use this to cook. You can just open this guy right here. If you have working remote, you can put a stool right here so you can put your laptop in here and work and enjoy the view. If you don't need it, all you have to do is push it up. And on the driver's side, she also chose sliding glass window. So it's a half window that you could do. So if you want to leave your pet inside with an airflow, you could definitely do that. It has a bug screen. At the same time, if you want a full access to this side, you just open it up. So you also have a light right here that's amber and white. So this is how it looks when this gullwing door is open. This is where the storage from the inside. So this is Pack Out Camper. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And also you can look at our website with all the options that you have. We have tons of accessories. So just follow us.